Oh, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jana, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my business casual outfit ideas. This video is dedicated to lip balm chapstick because she suggested it and I thought it would be a great idea to do this, and she also asked me to style my bags with it. So here you go. Speaking of requests, I got another request to do a Q&A. So if you have any questions, feel free to either message me on Instagram or leave a comment down below. And I would really love to do this. So any questions would be greatly appreciated. I wanted to try a new filming style for today's video just because I thought it'd be a little bit more fun, so I hope you enjoy it. I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed down below if you want. I post every single Tuesdays. Now, there are different rules for different offices. Some are more laid back and some are more uptight about what you wear. But for our Montessori, you can dress pretty casually, except we're not allowed to wear jeans, open-toed shoes, or spaghetti straps. So of course, you can switch things out if you please, or just add anything else you want. So for this first outfit, I really like these H&M striped pants. I know you can't really see the stripes right now, but later on you will. And this cute little button-up shirt from Abercrombie. It's just simple and just put together, especially with these patterned pants. I love wearing patterns in the summer just to brighten up the outfit and make it a little bit more fun. So for the bags, I thought it would be a good idea to just style the same 3 bags for all the outfits, just so you can see them with different outfits and none of them are left out. The first bag is, of course, my trusty old friend, my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. The second one is the Polène Numero 1 Nano, and the last one is my Chanel wallet on chain. Alright, so this next one is a maxi skirt. I love a good maxi skirt with just a simple cropped shirt. I love wearing it with a denim jacket. You can either wear it or wear it without, but it doesn't really matter. I love this look because it makes it feel super summery and also very breezy. Again, you can see my love for patterns. This next one is probably my favorite one just because I think it looks casual but also professional at the same time. Now these are H&M black paper bag pants that I got altered, obviously because I'm so short, and then just Hollister pants. Oh wait, they're not pants, it's a shirt. These next two, I'm putting them in the same category just because they're basically the same. One of them is a mid-length dress and then the other one is a maxi dress. So you can just pick whichever one you want to wear. This dress is from Abercrombie and Fitch and I recently got this one in a haul. I love wearing dresses to work just because it's simple and casual but also a little dressy at the same time. You can pair it with a cardigan or a denim jacket because it can get cold in the office with AC on. This dress was from American Eagle years ago. I don't remember when I got this, but this is such a pretty maxi dress. I absolutely love it. Also, this denim jacket that I've been wearing, it's from H&M as well years ago, and I don't remember when I got this, so please don't hate me. Okay, on to the last outfit, and this is just a simple t-shirt dress. Again, patterns. I feel like having patterns in your outfits just give it a little bit more fun, that fun vibe to it, of course. And you can wear a blazer on top or a cardigan. I would probably just leave it at this. But I would love to know what your style is because I am not a fashion icon or anything like that. So I'd love to know some of your suggestions and what you would wear with some of these outfits as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Just remember, if you have a video idea or a suggestion, I would love to hear it. Don't be shy. I'm always open to ideas. And if you found this filming and editing style choppy, I am so sorry. I will try to do better next time. So hopefully you still enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!